guys, so we're finally back from Long Beach, from LA. I showed you guys the experience of building a Clipper FX, and I came back to this. The warehouse is empty. All the racks are gone. All that's really left is the forklift. So Danny got back early and he started working on the warehouse. What'd you do, bro?
We shut down the company, bro. Close it down.
Why'd you shut it down, bro?
We shut it down because we outgrew this space.
Oh, okay.
Double our space. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, for real. So can we show them the new space?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So I've been telling you guys, thanks to y'all, man, we've been growing pretty quickly, and we've had this space for not that very long, and so it was time to move to a bigger space. Check it out, guys. Look at this. Way bigger, bro. Oh my gosh. This is at least twice the size, right?
Yes, just about twice the size, and we can throw a whole nother rack, a whole nother line right here of racking. So we can get another 25 pallet spaces in here, so easily. See, 2, 4.
There's the box that's going overseas. It's crazy, man. Look how big this space is. We got a real fridge?
We got a real fridge.
Nice. And there's office space here. Sick, man. Man.
We got tired of shuffling pallets around on the floor, so we decided to make some space.
For real.
So,
yo, I feel like I'm having a moment right now. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Danny.
There's still a bunch of racking that's missing, dude. We're missing so much racking still.
But bro,
Yeah.
like a year ago, we were in our garage doing this.
And that's no lie. That's actually that's pretty close to a year ago. And we've had to move. This is from the garage to the first warehouse, which we outgrew really fast, to the second warehouse, which was that one, to the third warehouse. So we've moved 3 times in the last 12 months. But that's it. We're not moving next time. If we move from here, we're buying the building.
Yeah.
From here, we're buying the building.
And that'll be a good thing. So we even have racks back here. It's gonna be, if we outgrow this space, man. That's crazy.
I bet you $10 Perez forgets the forklift.
He walked all the way over here.
It's good. This is Danny's idea.
Yeah.
So we don't have to take the whole rack apart.
You guys remember the big wooden box we tried to move?
There's a box behind you, Danny. Got it, babe?
So guys, we've been moving a whole bunch of stuff and trying to get the new warehouse together. We got inventory coming in, so super exciting stuff. 2020 is gonna be major. I'm on my way now to Studio 45 to record a tutorial for you guys. If you're part of the academy, I have dropped some videos, so make sure you check out the academy. If you are in the Tampa Bay area, I need models for a class February 4th and the 5th from 1 to 4 p.m. We're gonna need models, so if you're interested in a free haircut, come through. But other than that, making some moves, man. Going to Studio 45, we're gonna record this tutorial, and I got some updates on Studio 45 in the near future that I'll share with you guys a little bit later on. Actually, you know what? I'll share it with you guys now. So we are thinking about turning Studio 45 actually into a salon. And the reason behind that is because with the company growing and me traveling so much more, I'm not going to have as much time to do hands-on courses like I had planned. And so, you know, I still got that liability. I still have rent. I still got the bills to pay for that space. So my wife's already doing hair there. We're thinking about turning it into a salon. So if you're a hairstylist and you're interested at working at Studio 45, do let us know. Because, yeah. That was always kind of like the backup plan, just in case I couldn't make it work out long term So what do you guys think about that idea? Let me know in the comments below. So since I've been gone recording that tutorial, look at the progress. The new rack's here. Danny's still moving stuff over with the forklift. Justine has this place how she wants it. And my kids found their new office. So that's really it, guys. That was just a quick update of what's going on with Tomb45. If you like these quick company updates, please let me know. I think it's a great way to keep you guys informed of what's going on with Tomb45. They're simple, they're quick. I could drop them whenever I feel like there's a big update or there's something I want to share with you guys. I gotta tell you guys, man, like, it's been 3.5 years since we've started the company, and if I don't say it enough, man, I appreciate everybody's support through the thick and thin, through through our shortcomings and our progress. I appreciate you guys. So we're gonna be dropping a tutorial tomorrow, I believe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.